this is what I mean by vinyl paints or plastic based paints on thick stone walls, and not allowing the water to evaporate away. It traps it in. You can see here, like when I rub the sheet, rub the paint, you can see where it's just sitting there on the surface, well, hanging around. I can move. It's like a plastic sheet. It's just, the paint's fine, it's just not suitable for this wall, or the wall's not ideal for this paint. Okay, so we're stripping this roof off. Took all the flashings off because we're going to put new flashings there. But look, the furring strips are rotten through, so we're going to need to put new furring strips on. That's going to delay us because we're not going to get the boards on now. But if we see here, see these little black dots? This is a sheet of plywood. This is where they've had a H8 on here. And then they've recovered it with OSB board and put fiberglass on. So originally, this roof has had a torch applied H8 felt. Here, you can see the spots. It's a ventilation felt. That's been stripped off. Then they've redecked it with this OSB board and fiberglassed it. and the fiberglass has failed too. See, fiberglass struggles to stand the test of time. That felt was probably on there years. The fiberglass don't last long at all. Anyway, there's that one. We're going to be replacing this with a rubber roof.